Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing a makeup look for Diwali, and all the products that I have used I will mention them in the description box. You can check it out from there. But before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel and press that little bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. So let's start. So starting off with a clean and moisturized face, I am applying Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer on my eyes only. Meanwhile it gets sets, I am doing my eyebrows. Here I am using Maybelline Duo Shaper and it is grey in color. I will be using one more eyebrow pencil that is by Lakme. It is black in color. And how I did my concealer, I have already a video over that, so I will leave the link in the description box and on the I button. You can check it out. So after this I will be using an eyebrow brush so that both the colors get mixed. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Nicka K matte eyeshadow palette and I'm using the brown shade for my crease. Like this will give the depth to my eyes so that it will look more bigger. You can select the colors as per your choice. Here I'm using the colors regarding my dress. So here I'm using this green color on the outer corners of my eyes just below my crease line. I will not be applying the dark green color on the inner corners because I will be applying a lighter color over there, so I'm just using it on my outer corners. So now I'm using this parrot green color for the inner side of my eyelid. Most of the products that I've used in this tutorial I have already reviewed them, so if you want you can check it out. I will leave all the links in the description box. Now I'm just blending all the three colors so that there are no harsh lines. So now I'm applying the highlighter on the center of my eyelids, but if you want you can skip this step. None of the steps are mandatory to do except the primer and some basic steps, so you can definitely add or subtract the steps you want. So here I'm using Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. It is a silicone based primer, applying it on rest of my face and on my neck. So now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD corrector in the shade Peach to correct any imperfections on my face, and then just blending it using a beauty blender. So this video is in 4x speed, but if you want I can do it at its natural speed. I just do it so that it does not get boring to you to see that long blending process. But let me know in the comment section below that if you guys are okay with this speed or I should decrease it. So for highlighting my under eyes I have used Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light, and for contouring my face I'm using Bharat and Doris Cream Foundation in the shade number 11. So now I'm blending the concealer under my eyes and I've already blended the contour portion. So here I'm using Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder to set my under eyes. For foundation I will be using two shades and mixing them. One is by Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation and it is in the shade number 1, and the other one is by Olivia. It is in the shade number 2. It is Olivia Satin Finish Foundation. When you use matte foundation, always do it portion wise so that your foundation does not get stick to a particular portion of your face. As I've already applied the concealer under my eyes, I will not be applying any foundation. And when you blend all over your foundation, whatever product is left, just apply it near your hairline. So after setting the face with compact, I'm using all the three shades that I've used on my eyelid just below my lower lash line in the same series. Like first I'm using the brown shade till half of my eyelid, and then I'm using the dark green shade on in the middle part, and later the parrot green shade on the inner side. So to set my contour and to intensify it a little more, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour palette, the contour shade from that palette, and for my blush I'm using this shade from the same Nicka K eyeshadow palette, and then I'm just blending it with the contour with the beauty blender. So for highlighting my face I will be using the Nicka K glitter eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this shade as a highlighter. I'm applying it on the high points of my face, starting it with my cheekbones. Since the makeup is subtle, if you want you can use more pigmented highlighters. I'm using the same highlighter shade on my brow bone. So as eyeliner I'm using the Nykaa Glamour Eye Pencil in the shade Jade Jinx. I will be making a small wing and applying a little thick eyeliner because I will be applying a black one as well, but that is totally optional. If you want you can either use colored or only black. I'm also applying it on the lower part of my eyelids. Here, using a flat brush, I'm just blending the green eyeliner. So I'm applying the same highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes, and as an eyeliner I'm using Nykaa eyembold kajal. So for mascara I'm using Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara. Half and half glimmer sticks for lining my lips. I don't remember the shade, I will mention it in the description box. As a lipstick I am using the Colorbar Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade, I don't remember, I will mention it in the description box. Now highlighting the nose and cupid's bow and my chin area. So now just setting everything.